I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling the Calendar API so the service exists. Once done, configure the OAuth consent screen with needed scopes and your contact email. Next, create an OAuth 2.0 client ID for your application type and download the credentials JSON. This file contains client ID and client secret you'll use to request tokens. Make sure to restrict redirect URIs now, so development yields predictable callbacks and fewer permission errors later. Now implement the OAuth flow in your app. Direct the user to the consent URL, receive the authorization code, and exchange it for access and refresh tokens. Save the refresh token securely so you can request new access tokens without prompting users again. With an access token, initialize the Google Calendar client and test a simple events. List for primary calendar, then try events. Insert to create a test event. Make sure to include time zone, start/end data times, and correct calendar ID so results are visible immediately. To finish, add token refresh handling and robust error retries so your app runs reliably. Implement incremental sync with sync token to keep local state efficient and paginate results with page token as needed. Deploy credentials securely and rotate keys per policy. If something breaks, the most common issue is mismatched OAuth redirect URIs or missing calendar scopes. Recheck the consent screen and client settings. Finally, monitor quota and enable exponential backoff for 429 or 5xx responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.